In this video, I'm going to guide you through troubleshooting common issues with your Sony Dream Machine, including problems with the display, clock, radio, and alarm. If the display isn't working or is dim, start by adjusting the brightness settings. If the screen remains blank, unplug the device for 1 minute and plug it back in to reset it. Check for physical damage or dust around the screen as well. For clock issues, make sure the time is set correctly. If the clock keeps resetting, it could mean the backup battery is dead. Replace the backup battery if possible. If the radio won't tune or has poor reception, check the antenna connection or move the device to a spot with better signal. Sometimes resetting the device helps clear glitches affecting radio functions. When alarms don't sound or go off incorrectly, double-check alarm settings and volume levels. Ensure alarms aren't muted and that the correct time and days are selected. If buttons aren't responding, clean around them gently and try resetting the device by unplugging it. For all these issues, performing a factory reset can help. Look for a reset button or option, but remember, this will erase saved settings. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Sony support or a repair technician. Following this guide should help you fix most common Sony Dream Machine problems quickly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.